This video will show you how to install projector headlights on a 2011 to 2014 Dodge Charger. Please make sure you have all the tools shown here before you proceed with the installation. Let's begin. Remove 6 7mm bolts at the bottom of the front bumper. Remove 2 plastic clips at the front of the fender well. Now pull the fender liner aside and remove a 10mm bolt you see here. Remove the plastic covers. Remove 4 plastic clips located right above the grill. Now we can remove the front bumper. Disconnect the fog light harness. Remove 4 8mm bolts that's attaching the headlight to the car. Remove the factory headlight and disconnect the headlight harness. Connect the headlight harness to your new projector headlight, then place it in the stock location. Now replace all hardware in reverse order. Please make sure to check all electrical connections and light function before taking your car back on the road. Thank you for choosing Specdtuning videos to assist you. Please visit specdtuning.com for more products.